Hey YouTube family, welcome back to another video from me. Like I always say, thank you guys so much for clicking another video and deciding to support me and watch a video from me. So in this video today is a little bit different, I guess you can say, from all the other videos I've done, but it's still the same. It's the same because it's another part of my journey which I'm going to share with you guys. My journey to become more of a healthier person, a more conscious consumer. But it's different because I never discussed this topic. But I figured if I'm going through this journey, you never know, someone else might be going through the same process as well and they might need help. And that's what I'm here to talk about. So first of all, this video is for all my ladies out there that experience a monthly period. This is what this video is going to be about. It is my thoughts on some pads that I have been using recently. And for all the fellas that watch my videos, I know you guys are out there, how you doing? You can watch this video if you want to, but feel free to just click off if you don't care to watch this video. But still give me a thumbs up for effort though before you go. And to all of those that don't want to hear me discuss my discuss periods or pads, or you're not mature enough to have this conversation or watch this video, then feel free to click off as well. No harm feelings. Just come back when there's a video that you guys are more interested in watching. As you guys know, and if you guys don't know, my new subscribers, I am on a journey to make more healthier decisions with the things that I buy and for my body. I am by no means perfect. I have a lot of flaws, but the reason why I share my journey with you guys is because I am trying. I'm trying to change my lifestyle for the better, and I'll share that with you guys little by little. So the latest installment, well, the first thing I did was I went natural, which was still years ago, and then I started to think about the products that I put on my body and within my body. So on my body, I'm in the process of still transitioning over my makeup, which I've gotten good with so far. There's still a few items I have to transition over, and I keep you guys updated on that. My deodorants, I've been keeping you guys updated with that. Now it's my feminine hygiene care. So when it comes to my period, my monthly period, in the past I used to use Always with Wings. That was my go-to pad. I've used it for years, ever since I can remember. I've always used those pads. I actually liked them. They kept me dry. I never had an issue with them. But the reason why I decided to transition to a more healthier pads, not because I had an issue with that particular pad itself, is because from research and from watching other YouTube videos and learning more about my body, I realized that those commercial pads do have chemicals and things that are not the best for a female body and can cause problems. I'm not going to go into the details. You are free to do research yourself, just like I did. And if it's something that appeals to you, then continue to watch the video. But for example, like they bleach the pads, and I don't want that bleach chemical going up inside my vagina, or they use, you know, certain chemicals to make sure that the moisture from your bleeding is pulled away from your body and, you know, it's absorbed into the pad, and I don't want those chemicals in my body. But like I said, you're free to do your research and learn about it yourself and make the switch if that's right for you. I looked up different pads to use, and the first one that I got was from my health food store, and I'm going to go into that one first, and it's this one right here. It's the Maxim, that's the brand name, Hygiene Natural Silver Max Ion Technology for better protection against irritation and odor. Ultra thin winged pads. These are made with all natural cotton and they are chlorine free. By using organic and natural chlorine free cotton, Maxim Hygiene products reduce the risk of irritation, minimize exposure to carcinogenic toxins, and protect the environment. So these are biodegradable, they're all natural, like I said, they're cotton and they're chlorine free. What my thoughts on this one. First of all, you get 10 in this one, and this was a super one, and the price point for this at my health food store was $5.99. You see that? So roughly about $6 with tax for 10 pads. I did not care for this one much. It did keep me dry, but the issue I had, and I don't think it's an issue with the actual pad itself, is just the one that I bought, because I bought Super, and these were huge. I wish I had some left over to show you, but I'm the type of person, I don't like to waste products, so even though I did not care for them, I used it all the way till the end. So these last me about for 2 cycles, about approximately, but they were huge. They were like these huge like They were about, I would say, yeah, about this long. They were more for heavier bleeding and heavier protection. I'm not a heavy bleeder. I'm more of a moderate bleeder. So for me, this one was just too big. Now I could have easily bought the regular in this one, but when I went back to my health food store, I could not find the regular in this one. And then when I searched online, I don't remember what happened, but the other one that I'm going to show you sparked my attention more. So this one, I'm not saying it's the worst, it's just that it was just so big for no reason. I had all this extra room in my underwear for no reason, like why? So it wasn't that bad. So if I can find the one that is like a regular flow, then I might pick this up again. But this one is, I would recommend it if you have a heavier period and you need more protection. So the second one I moved on to, this one here. I got this one from Amazon, and the reason why I picked this one up was because when I searched Amazon, this one had one of the most reviews. So this is why I chose this one. The price point on this one is you can get one single pack, I think, for like $7 or $8, or you can get the double pack. I think it was on sale, the double pack for $14, I believe. Yeah, the single pack for $8, double pack for like $14, so you save $1 and change. Each pack comes with 10, so with both packets I got 20 pads in total. So this one, the brand name is Organic with a Y. They're cotton pads. They're made with organic cotton. They're naturally absorbent and they prevent skin irritation. They're healthy for you and the environment because they are biodegradable. So this one is for moderate flow, which is the one that I use more on a regular basis. I do have one left of this one, so I can show it to you guys. This is how it looks. It comes individually wrapped. They're quite thin, which is, let me show you, this is my hand. They're very thin. Like I said, I don't need much protection. I have a very moderate flow. These pads, I enjoyed them a lot. The only thing I did not appreciate with them was the wings. Let me open it and show you. So this is how it looks opened up. There it goes. This part right here, right there, the wing part, that's where I had the most issue, because during my cycle I would have to change these quite often because right here would get wet from the blood and it would seep to my underwear and my clothing, and I did not like that. I feel that there should be something, see, this is it's very see-through. I'm not sure if you can see, but there's no plastic or anything over here. You can see my hand right behind it. I feel like there should be something behind here, like something that can block the blood from going through to the other side. That is the only issue I had with this one. Other than that, these pads were perfect. But if it wasn't for that leakage to the side where the wings are to my underwear, I would keep these, and these would be the perfect pads for me. However, that leakage thing bothered me. Even though the pad itself was not full, because it would leak at the side, I would have to continue. I would change my pad often because my underwear would get messed up and I did not want that. So I did use this one in its entirety, but I saved this one so that I can show it to you guys when I gave you guys my opinions on this. And yes, because I don't like to waste things either, my next cycle I will use this last one as well. So I haven't found my perfect healthier cotton pads yet, but I will be doing an order soon on Amazon for another brand that I want to try. And if you guys enjoy this video, if you guys care about this, leave me a comment and I'll follow up and let you guys know what are my findings on the other pads that I find, and I'll definitely have no problem sharing that with you guys if you guys want. Hopefully this helped someone if you guys are interested in transitioning over to natural cotton pads. If you want to find out the reasons behind it, please do your research. I'm not here to tell anyone what to do. I am just here to I am just here to share my journey. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll be sure to make sure to get back to you guys. And I think that is it. If you guys have any recommendation of any pads that are cotton or natural that I should try or anything else, leave them in the comment section and I'll definitely give it a try. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media sites. Everything is at Kaya Journey, one name, same person everywhere, the one and only. And I hope you guys are continuing to enjoy your journey no matter what journey you're on. Enjoy. Thank you guys for watching and have a good day. Bye.